Hello, my name is Howard Milano. This is a beginner tutorial on how to set up an FreeCAD Assembly 4 document that allows you to rotate an object. Okay, let's create a new document and make sure you're in Assembly 4. Let's add an assembly. And in that assembly, let's create a master sketch. So we call it master sketch. That's the custom to call it master sketch. Okay, a new sketch. And you want to hook it up to something, and let's hook it up to local coordinate system underbar origin. So go back here and we're going to hook it up to the local underbar origin, and we're going to put it in the XY plane. We can also set up a variable. There's a little plus there. Call it angle. Set it to 45. Double click the master sketch. And we're going to add a line that rotates around the center point there. So line, center point. Give it a certain length, fixed length, otherwise it gets really big when you rotate. It doesn't matter what the length is, anything is good. And between the line and the x-axis there, set an angle constraint. And we do which angle constraint is variables, angle. So the line can rotate, it's fixed to the origin, it can rotate depending on what angle is. And it's fully constrained, close. So when you, assembly, when you animate it now, and you go, angle goes from 0 to 360. No, let's make it 360. And step size 3. And you run it, you can see it rotates around the z-axis. The line does, and you can make it loop. Okay, now how do you make an object rotate with that line? And the way you do it in FreeCAD is you hook up local coordinate systems. So you make a local coordinate system for this line. So assembly, add a new coordinate system. We call it local coordinate system rotate. And you want to hook it up to the center there. So how where the line meets the center. And look over here, it tells you what you're hovering over on the bottom. So that is edge 1. This is the local coordinates, the origin. And we want to find the center, the vertex of the line. There it is, vertex 1. And the second one we select is the edge. And we align it with the OXY. And that local coordinate system, when you create a part and you hook it up to that local coordinate system, the part will rotate with that line. So the nice thing is you can save it now. Save as. And you can save it as rotate assembly. And anytime you want to start a new document with something rotating, you can start with the rotate assembly, make a copy, and then add parts, etc., etc. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.